people have been making metal for thousands of years. Since the first iron was extracted from swamp ore, it has been the most important material for human development and progress. Production of iron has developed from the first small blast furnaces into today's heavy industry. Norway's excellent access to hydropower made it especially favourable for establishment of this energy-intensive industry.
Sauda, Notodden and Porsgrunn have good access to hydropower, and plants for manganese production were already located there at the beginning of the 20th century. In 1974, Tinfoss Ironworks moved its smelting facility from Notodden to Kvinesdal. Eramet Norway took over responsibility for plant operations in Sauda and Porsgrunn from Elkem in 1999, and in 2008 the Tinfoss smelting facility in Kvinesdal was taken over. As part of the acquisition of Tinfoss, Eramet also took over the smelting facility, which is now Eramet Titanium and Iron in Tyssedal. In addition, Eramet Norway has a research and development facility located in Trondheim and a quartz quarry in Kragerø. Eramet Norway is a subsidiary of the French corporation Eramet. Eramet is one of the world's largest manufacturers of nickel and manganese alloys, and the world's largest manufacturer of refined manganese alloys. The Eramet Group also produced nickel and special steels. Eramet Norway represents the major part of Eramet's total production of refined manganese alloys.
Iron and steel are among the most important construction materials in our society. Areas of use are many, and the high strength, low cost and long lifetime of steel makes it attractive as a building material for major construction projects that need to withstand heavy loads. Crude steel is basically not very strong and not very abrasion resistant. The addition of manganese makes the weaker steel into strong, tough and hard-wearing steel. The way manganese works in steel can be compared with the way calcium strengthens our bones. Calcium reinforces bone tissue in the skeleton. Without calcium, bones are weaker and break more easily. The same applies to steel without manganese. The raw materials for ferromanganese production comes to Eramet from its own mines in Gabon, West Africa, as lumpy ore or sinter. These lumps contain many other substances in addition to the manganese oxide. The purpose of the furnaces is to remove the oxygen from the manganese oxides with the help of electrical power and coke, and to remove the unwanted impurities as slag.
Eramet Norway has 100 years of experience in producing various manganese alloys. This knowledge, developed over generations, is Eramet Norway's most important resource and value, and has made the company a leader in melting and refining ferromanganese.
Both the melting and the refining processes are today advanced, high technological processes that few other companies in the world can match. From when the optimal ore mix is charged to the furnace to the crucial refining process, precision and experience are vital. Assisted by advanced control systems, every small segment of the production is monitored.
A number of highly qualified engineers monitor the entire production process to ensure the highest possible quality of the end product. Sampling of raw materials and metal and slag is carried out throughout the process. The samples are analysed in Eramet's own laboratories, and are an important part of our quality control.
Although the process of creating ferromanganese can result in huge emissions and discharges, Eramet Norway has reduced this to an absolute minimum. Massive investment in filters for cleaning smoke and dust, a dedicated cleaning plant for heavy metals,
Energy recovery,
water treatment plant, and environmental training for employees have all yielded major environmental gains. Eramet's presence means a lot for local economic life. Many companies, contractors, tradesmen and craftsmen supply products and services to the plants. Strong and specialized supplier venues are vital for the development of Eramet's competitive abilities.
Eramet Norway is an important co-player in the local education system. We have approximately 50 apprentices in 8 different profession categories and are also involved in many project-related processes in cooperation with various educational institutions. Thanks to Norway's good access to renewable, environmentally friendly hydropower and Eramet Norway's years of experience in the production of ferroalloys, the company is well equipped to face the future, helped by its expertise, experience and highly skilled and motivated workforce.
Steel forms the backbone of modern society, and Eramet's products make it stronger.